Hello, this is iMobi. If your device page looks like this, it means your device is locked by Activation Lock. The following video will show you how to bypass Activation Lock. Firstly, please open the software, select the Bypass iCloud Activation Lock function, and then connect the device. Click Start Now. Click Jailbreak. At this time, your device will enter recovery mode. It will take some time. Please wait patiently. Then, your device will enter DFU mode. Please operate the device according to the instructions on the software page. After successfully entering the DFU mode, the software will automatically jailbreak. During this process, please pay attention to the software page prompts and device page changes. This process takes time, so please wait patiently. After jailbreaking successfully, please click Bypass Now. Then the device will enter recovery mode again. Then please follow the software page to operate the device to enter DFU mode again. After successfully entering the DFU mode, the software will automatically bypass the iCloud Activation Lock function. During this process, please pay attention to the software page prompts and device page changes. When the page shows that the activation lock has been bypassed successfully, please press the Home button of the device. And then set the device to check whether the iCloud Activation Lock has been successfully bypassed.